So as we have selected the source as a query and a county as a destination, nearby destination of county. Okay, so if you seen previous one, so we have some bookings from Itwari to county for today for 6 o'clock, and also having one more booking at 28. Okay, which is for uh, future date, right? So let's suppose, let me select today date. Let's suppose I wanted to go for today from Kamti to Itwari to Kamti, and let's search for and let's search right by AI. Okay, so in the backend we have implemented a KNN algorithm that will basically take the location, latitude, longitude of both driver as well as your driver location and your location both, and it will calculate and find the best match based on the location, price, timing. Okay, so as you can see, there was two booking for Itwari to Kamti. One was for today, one is for 28. Okay, but if you see, right now it is showing me only one. Why? Because it is validating date also. Okay, because for I wanted to go for 25 May, right? So it's there was only one right for 25, that's why it's showing one. Okay, if I select for 28, then it will show me matching rights for 28. Okay, so as you can see, this is for 28, right? Okay, so it is 87% matching. Okay, which is very good score. As you can see, location is 100% matching. Okay, and time is also matching and price is also matching. Okay, it's just 50 rupees. Okay, and I can also add a price filter. Suppose you want to add some price filter, sheet filter, then you can also add it from there. Okay, and you can also check the view details, view details for the same. Okay, and now let's suppose I am a user too, and this is the right created by Sahil. Okay, and I am a Samir. Okay, so I wanted to join Sahil ride. Okay, so I can request to join the particular ride. So I can click to request join, and then it will send notification to Sahil. Okay, so now as of now I have sent the request for the ride to Sahil. Okay, so now if I go back to dashboard, okay, and if I check the my ride. Okay, so in my ride, basically I have created one ride which was Surabadi. Okay, and one ride which I have requested from Itwari to Kamti to Sahil. Okay, so the join request which you have sent, that will be shown into the join section, and whatever ride which you have created, that will be shown into created section. Okay, so this way we have differentiated. So now if I check, so this is overall the uh, Samir dashboard. Okay, now let me log out the particular session of Samir and let me log in as a Sahil. Okay, because we have sent request to Sahil for a request to join their ride. Okay, so let me log in as a Sahil. If I logged in as a Sahil, okay, so you can see I got one notification for what. If I click to that notification, as you can see, Samir want to join my ride from Itwari to Nagpur. Sahil was created one ride from Itwari to Nagpur, which was requested to join Samir. Okay, so that will be appear into this notification section. Okay, so then from notification only you will able to accept that ride. If you want to accept that ride, that particular candidate to join, or you can accept it or reject it, it's depending on you. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Samir information. I can call him, I can email him, I can check his information and the price. Okay, so I can either approve the request, join request, either reject, both I can do here. Okay, from here, as well as if I go to rights request, so in the right request also I'll be able to get the information ki how many user wanted to join my ride. Okay, so from here also I'm able to update, approve or reject it. Okay, so now let's suppose approve the particular Samir, like I am ready to take Samir in my ride. Okay, so I can simply click approve and I will just approve it. Okay, so once approve, the notification will send to Samir, and Samul will get the notification ki yeah, I can join a Sahil ride. Okay, so this way you will be able to find a ride, join a ride. Okay, and you can create a ride. Okay, and you can filter a ride using KNN algorithm. Okay, and you can also check the ride in my ride section ki how many rides you have created and how many rides you have joined. As you can see, if you see the first one which I have created, so out of 4 seat, 2 seat got filled. Okay, one is me, second is Samir. Okay, two more person can join this particular ride. Okay, because 4 seat are available. Okay, and also if I go back to my dashboard, you will also get the information ki how many money you have saved. As you can see, I have saved 100 rupees. Okay, from this ride. So let me log out this and let me log in as a Samir, and let's check whether they have got the notification for the acceptance or not. Okay, so as you can see, I have now logged in as a Samir, and you can see I got notification. Samir got one notification. What is the notification? Let me check. So the notification is simple ki ride up requested approved, because Samir requested Sahil to join their ride, and I can also check the information. Okay, so this way, this is the overall ride share application for the college student. Okay, so in backend we have used Python language for the main algorithm part and all other REST APIs. Okay, and for front end we have used React Native. Okay, so yeah, thank you. This is all about the application.